My name is Matthias Kohlbrand. I'm head of product at COSMINO AG. For more than 35 years, we've been providing solutions in the field of PDA, MDA, MOM and MES. Our customers take responsibility for mature products, efficient processes and the highest quality. Our software supports them in improving quality and efficiency.
At COSMINO, we have a broadly based team. Experienced professionals are working side by side with young talents bringing fresh ideas. Our project teams and customer advisors are true problem solvers. They are well familiar with the processes on the shop floor and support our customers on their path to the digital factory.
For almost 4 decades, we have been developing our solutions together with our customers and at our customers' premises, from initial data acquisition to networked manufacturing. Commitment and innovation are the secret to our long-term partnerships. By integrating the possibilities of new technologies and methods, such as digital twins and artificial intelligence, into our solutions, we are securing tomorrow's competitiveness.
As head of our service team, it's important to me that customers know when you call COSMINO, you get a quick response, someone who understands you, knows your production processes and delivers the right solution.
We are proud when our customers use our digital tools to increase efficiency, reduce waste and make faster and more reliable decisions. In short, to stay ahead in the competition.